emotions. I know this shit getting real.
Another day, another video, boys, and the Jeep is really dirty, as you guys might have seen in my last video. So we're gonna go ahead and just, you know, it's a beautiful day. It's like 80 out today, nice Sunday, and we're gonna go ahead and enjoy that. So you guys can see it's so dirty. It's everywhere. I'll show you guys more up close in a little slow-mo, and you know, it is dirty. So we need to clean that up, but I do want to give you guys a quick update on the vinyl wrap that I did in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out now. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Yeah, the sun really heated it up. I didn't really give it a good preheat or post-heat, whatever it's called. I don't even know. But yeah, it's starting to peel up. So I'm going to have to get more and redo that. Hopefully it doesn't get too messed up today when I wash the car. Hopefully I wash the car today, but we're going to enjoy this nice weather, like I said, and go for a nice drive. But we got all our wrap supplies right there, and we're gonna throw them in here in our nice messy Jeep, and we'll clean it up today. Hopefully make a nice little Jeep again, and we'll be on our way. So we're gonna throw this in there now and go on our way. So wish me luck.
Soon after.
I know where I'm going, I just don't know how I'm getting there. I swear I done lost control over all my emotions. I know this shit getting real.
All right, boys, so here is the deal. We need to start washing this thing, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it's dirty. Like, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's really dirty. Like, I don't think my car's ever been this dirty, and yeah, the highway and the bugs and, you know, just being too busy to wash it is a bad look. But yeah, we're gonna get to it. It's getting a little bit later than I'd like, but yeah, like I don't even know. This is embarrassing, man. The windshield's really dirty. Probably can't even translate to camera. The bugs over here are just really bad. I mean, there's a whole bug right there, just fully calm. Yeah, you guys can see the bugs down here. This is what the highway driving has done to me. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and wash that now, and let's just cut to a little time lapse, and I'll pin in some things after of what I'm doing. Let's get to it.
I know where I'm going, I just don't know how I'm getting there. I swear I done lost control over all my emotions. I know this shit getting real. And baby, after all we been through, you know that you dead wrong. Used to where I left you, I picked up where I left off. After all this time, why is you still on my mind? I keep looking at my cell phone.
All right, so it is fairly clean right now. It's decent. Like, it's probably the best it's been in a while. I definitely need to know, though, if you guys know anything about like paint correction or anything like that, what does it exactly do? Is it just pulling a little bit of things out? Is it going to be able to fix up some scuffs? You know, if I go get like a really good detail place, are they going to be able to, you know, fix up these little things? Obviously they're not going to be able to fix this. I need to get my hood fixed. There's chips and it's bubbling, but that's going to be a warranty thing that we're going to get done. But down here, like, some of this stuff is just like these tiny little dots that are like rusty almost, and I don't know if I can get that fixed, or like if I need a whole new bumper to be painted. But I definitely need a real good detail soon, so maybe I'll be testing that soon. Maybe I'll get it really dirty and go to a place that details and see how good of a job they can do, if they can actually get a lot of the things out that I do on purpose. So let me know if you guys want to see that down below. Hold up, boys, I want to show you something here. Look at this. It looks spotless. Let me get this little tag under there. But yeah, these mats are actually cleaned up fairly well. You can see there's like a little bit of discoloration kind of going on here. Not really sure what that's about, but I did hit them with a nice like cleaner and stuff like that, scrubbed them, so you know, they're fairly clean. And boys, I'm just saying, it looks like a whole new car in here. I scrubbed everything nice and clean, the doors, everything. It's looking good, but we do have some issues that we need to talk about. Now, as you guys know, since I got this Jeep, that these trim panels have been peeling, or at least this panel itself, just this one in particular, has been peeling like this since I got it. And you can see it's got crack. I think they tried to fix it, whoever had it before. You guys can see, but it's starting to peel more as the heat is starting to hit it. Even being in a garage, it's still getting pretty bad. So hopefully I can get that warranted. I'm like fingers crossed, praying that they'll be able to hook me up and help me out on that, as well as at the same time getting the warranty done for the front here, because we have bubbling all across here. There's another spot right here across this area. Over here it's starting, so I really want to get that taken care of. I did it on my other Jeep because it wasn't something I was really caring about, but on this one I definitely want to. And another thing you guys may know is a common problem is the delamination on the on the screen here, and you guys can see it's starting to delaminate up there at the top. Now, this is a problem I've never seen in person or dealt with myself, where, you know, this stuff I've seen. And the other thing, so if you guys have any tips, if I can get that warranted or what I need to do on that one, let me know down below, because I'd love to know. And yeah, now I just gotta clean up, do these little things over here. But yeah, now let's go ahead and see if we can do some little mods for my mom's new Jeep, and you know, get her going a little bit, because can't keep it stock. That one either, can't keep it stock.
A few moments later.
It's gonna get dirty as soon as I move through this dirt patch, right? Yeah, great. Anyways, guys, first mod for my mom's Jeep here, which if you guys haven't even seen this here on the channel, it's like just a little 2-door wheelies, you know. This is exactly what she wanted, but looks really good. And then obviously the Rubicon over there. So we got 3 Jeeps. I'm thinking BJP mom for the plate, BJP dad for the plate, and then of course we got BJP on this one. So let me know what you guys think down below, and of course watch more videos so that I can you know, afford those $250 a year registration fees or whatever, so I can hook them up with the BJP merch when we can have the little Jeep family going, or whatever it's called. But yeah, let's go ahead and just do this little mod for her, because we're gonna do more mods to their stuff as they want to do stuff. I'll probably make videos of them and you know, help them out, because I am the guy for this kind of stuff, I suppose. So doing this one-handed is just it. You know what? No, let me just. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys want to see more Jeep content besides just what we've been doing with, you know, the Grand Cherokee and the SRT, because like I said, mods are going to be booming. You guys can see the weather is lovely out. It's finally starting to come into that summer months, and you know, the content is ready to boom. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think that I should start doing some content on the other Jeeps? Do you want to see that? I'm sure a lot of you guys don't, but you know, it might bring in a new audience and expand the kind of Jeep community that we have here on the channel, outside of just the Grand Cherokee. And maybe we'll just be able to reunite the Grand Cherokee people, because we are kind of a cult as well. But hopefully we can, you know, unite the two and have them fingering each other. You know, we want the Wrangler people and the Grand Cherokee people to finger each other. You know, maybe we should just make our own thing as like Grand Cherokee people. What do you guys think? Do you guys think maybe we, like, I don't know, like fist each other or something? Like, I don't know. Just, it's a stupid idea, but yeah, let's go ahead and put this cool Jeep plate on for her, and she'll be Jeeped out.
She tell me that I'm worth it. Why do I feel so worthless? Tell me that you love me, baby, you never leave. Heart always broken where I wear it on my sleeve. Help me to pick up the pieces. Help me find peace in your essence. I've been falling in love, that's why I'm tripping. Telling me to breathe, but baby, I'm overthinking. If everything's right, why you